Hello everyone, welcome back to TechBro. In today's digital age, videos are more than just files. They are time capsules capturing our most priceless moments and preserving them for generations to come. From family gatherings and vacation to special events and milestones, videos serve as irreplaceable records of our life. However, the digital world is not without its risks, and one of the most heartbreaking tragedies is when a beloved video becomes corrupted or damaged, rendering it inaccessible. That's where 4D repair comes to the rescue. In this video, we will dive into the powerful tool and learn how it can help you rescue your precious footage. So time to put on your seatbelts, let's get started. So the link of this website is available in the video description. Simply click on it. And here you can see you can repair your files very easily using 4D software. So simply click on try it free button and download it. After downloading, install this, and after installation, launch the software. Here you will see the interface like this. Here you can see we have bunch of features. Here we have the video repair. To use video repair feature, you can easily repair corrupted videos that won't play, have no sound, display black screen, etc. And to use photo repair, you can quickly repair images that won't open or partially damaged. And next we have the file repair. You can repair corrupted PDF, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, ZIP, AI and other file format. And next we have the audio repair tab. To use it, you can repair corrupted audio files and remove crackling and popping sounds very easily. And down below we have the more repair tool like DLL fixer and email repair. If I click on the AI enhancer, here you can see you will find many tools like video enhancer, photo enhancer and AI colorize tool like video colorize and photo colorize. You can try these features, but in this video we will try the video repair option. Here you can see if you will try the video repair, you can easily repair corrupted videos that won't play, have no sound, display black screen, etc. Simply click on the add video button. You can add your file here, and down below you can see we have the example videos. Click on the add video button and import your damaged file here. I will select it and click on the open button. To repair your corrupted file, simply click on the repair button. And the processing is start. Wait here for a few seconds. And that's it. Quick repair is successful. You can preview it very easily. Simply click on the preview button. And here is our corrupted videos. You can download it. Simply click on the save button and choose your save path and click on the OK button. And here you can see file saved successfully. So very easily you can repair your corrupted videos by using 4D file repair. Now I will add another video. I will select it and click on the repair button. And that's it. Here is the result. So you can very easily repair your videos by using 4D file repair software. So link of this website is available in the video description. I hope you will find this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.